If you are searching for a super cute musical instrument craft to make with your kids or to put in Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes, today on Crafty Care I'm going to show you how to make these colorful and fun jingle sticks. I'm Diane, and I'm so glad you're here today because jingle sticks are one of my new favorite crafts that we're doing. My daughter discovered these when we were looking for musical instrument crafts to put into Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes, and this came up. So we just made these. We love them. And if you're interested in seeing more craft projects like this, hit that subscribe button for new videos each week here at Crafty Care. You'll first need a wooden dowel. We chose one 5/16 of an inch, or you can use a pencil. They're about 7.5 to 8 inches long. You'll need some pipe cleaners so that you can just twist them around the pencil. You'll also need some jingle bells. You'll need some ribbon and some scissors. If you'd like to brighten up your jingle stick even more, you can paint it. So then you would need some paint and a brush, and you can see the difference, one that's painted, one that's not. So first we'll paint our jingle stick. Just cover the whole thing in paint. Just a light coat will cover it, and it won't take too long to dry. Once you're done painting it, we're going to take our jingle balls or bells, however you refer to them, and string them onto our pipe cleaner. I generally use 10 to 12 of the jingle bells. If you're using a smaller bell, you might want to put more. Larger bells, you might use a little less. So today we're going to use about 10 of them. First, we'll string them all onto a single pipe cleaner. Once you have all the jingle bells on your pipe cleaner, you're going to twist the pipe cleaner around the top of the stick that you have. We're going to twist that really tight. We don't want it sliding off the top. We don't want it too close to the top, or it could slide off. And we've left enough room so that we can easily do that. Again, we will rearrange our jingle bells as we're twisting it down the stick, so we'll get the spacing right on those as we go along. So then you're simply going to push your jingle bells where you would like them and start twisting your pipe cleaner around the stick, just spacing those jingle bells as you go. There's no right or wrong to this. However you do the spacing, I just kind of twist as I go. If I see an empty space that looks like it needs filling with a bell, I just twist one in there and fill that spot in. So keep twisting all the way down to the bottom of your pipe cleaner. So you'll be about a third of the way down the stick when you're done, and then you'll get another pipe cleaner, twist it back up. So we attach it tightly to the other pipe cleaner, and then we twist in the opposite direction, and we're going up through, weaving in and out around the bells, and we get to the top, and we're going to twist it around tightly at the top, and now we'll start to tuck it in a little bit and then get our ribbon. So I cut generally just a couple inches of ribbon. That's up to you. I think I used about a 4-inch, a total of 8 inches of ribbon. So there's 4 to 5 inches on each side. And then we just put the loop through the pipe cleaner, knot it onto the pipe cleaner so it stays really well. Then we're going to twist the pipe cleaner onto the stick and tuck the end of it down underneath the bell because we don't want that sharp point of the pipe cleaner sticking out. So I hope you enjoyed making these as much as I did. They just always turn out so cute. It's like I have to jingle them. If you have any comments or if you have suggestions for projects you'd like to see here on Crafty Care, put that in the comments down below. And until next time, have fun crafting to care. Bye-bye.